This SLR camera backpack is the perfect solution for all of your SLR gear and a laptop up to a 17-inch MacBook Pro or any 16-inch PC. It's very lightweight, very protective, and is packed with lots of innovative case logic features. On the outside you see this molded EVA base. It's made out of high-density EVA foam, creates a very stable platform for great impact protection and great stability anywhere you set the bag down. In the back is a very padded laptop compartment, which again fits any 16-inch PC or up to a 17-inch MacBook Pro. Opening up the SLR compartment, this is where this bag gets really cool. Fast action zipper along just the top portion of the case gives you access to the camera. Even with a long zoom lens attached, much longer than this one, the camera can be accessed through just the top portion of the case without opening up the entire case to reveal all your accessories. So very convenient, fast access to the camera with a lens attached. Undoing these little Velcro safety straps gives you access to the entire case. This is where you'd want to lay the bag down. You can see from here that if you had a longer zoom lens attached, simply reconfigure these dividers to allow that lens to extend all the way down to the bottom of the case. The dividers Velcro in to make it perfectly adjustable for anything you need to hold. All your lenses, chargers, cables, extra camera body, your whole range of accessories. Padded accessory pockets, and you see here along the top portion of the lid a whole layer of memory foam, a molded memory foam that closes up against the back side of the camera to protect the camera from all sides. Additional accessory pockets offer all the conveniences and protection you need. This side accessory pocket is a great place to keep my point and shoot camera, my iPhone. It's got a very scratch resistant material inside, easy organization pockets. Front organization for pens and USB drives and notebooks and cables, everything you need with you on the shoot. On this side is lashing straps for any tripod or monopod. Makes it real easy to carry everything you need with you. The SLRC-206 backpack is the perfect lightweight, protective, organizational solution for your SLR, full range of accessories, and a laptop up to 17 inches.